Okay, just ready? Alright. There's so small space to come in here. Oh man. But it's really comfortable right here. You know, at my desk. How's it going, people? Welcome back to another tutorial at my desk. Today, I'm gonna be talking about editing audio in Premiere Pro. I'm not sick, but when it's winter, my nose is running all the time. So when I'm on the train, for example, I do like, and people next to me do same time, and it's kind of awkward. So today, like I said, I'm gonna be talking about audio editing. Do you guys edit audio? Sure, you guys edit video so much, like color grading and transitions, cut forever. But audio, you guys do audio? Or you guys have fancy microphone set? I don't know. Well, I do edit my audio too. Okay, before I actually start, let me talk about myself a little. I've been using Logic Pro, which is music making software, for a very long time, over 6 or 7 years. So I've been making music since I was a kid. Oh, I've been making... Huh? There are some lyrics. Who was that? Nate Dogg, and these days you gotta be strapped. We've been making music since... Yeah, We've been making music since we were kids. So I of course edit every detail of sound, like guitar, vocal, drum, bass. So when I edit video in Premiere Pro, I also edit my audio too. You know, I have to do this because I don't have any fancy microphone. This microphone is for vocal. Can you believe this? Anyway, this microphone is not for YouTube with filmmaking camera. So today I'm going to share my workflow of audio editing. Okay, let's jump to Premiere Pro. Okay, so welcome back to Premiere Pro, my workspace. So after importing your footage, first thing first, analyze your footage. Knowing your problem is very first step to get better audio. Listen. How's it going, people? Welcome back to another video and thank you for tuning in again. So now, okay, so there are two major problems. First, obviously, noise, this sound. And the second is, it's not the big deal for other people, but it is to me, breaking point. Okay, I have very strong middle range of my voice, this sound. So sometimes it breaks, so I have to make my voice balanced. So first thing first, if you have noise, unfortunately, apply this denoise right here and apply to audio clip. So this effect allows you to cut noise. Very simple. Open this and you're gonna see this window. This section amount, if you dial this up, you can cut more noise. If you dial down, no effect. So I'm going to dial this up gradually, so listen. How's it going, people? Welcome back to another video and thank you for tuning in again. So now, YouTube is one of parts in our lives. So just watching YouTube, something like this, but you don't want to overkill because it's going to be so muddy. Like if you set 100%, it's going to be like video and thank you for tuning in. So muddy. I like it around 15 to 20, so let's 15. How's it going, people? Welcome back to another video and thank you for a little more, so maybe 18. How about that? How's it going, people? Welcome back to another video and thank you for tuning in. Okay, much better. I mean, this is done. So most of you can stop right here. If you want to go deeper, let's do that. Okay, search EQ and you're gonna see this chromatic equalizer and apply this. So this effect allows you to control a very specific area of your voice. For example, low, middle, and high. In low sounds like middle, you know, speaking voice, and high is very like this sound, very high. So you don't want both of low and high, so you can cut it. Okay, first select this L and lower this L, and by pressing this button the line is gonna be smooth. So you want to cut under 100 because under 100 it's just noise. It's not hearable, but it exists as noise, so cut it. And high, same thing, just lower and press this button, and you can cut above like 20K. How's it going, people? Welcome back to another video, and thank you for tuning in again. So now you cut low and high noise. If you boost high and low, it's gonna be like this video, and thank you for tuning in again. So now YouTube is just stick to the basic. And one more thing you have to do is find your breaking point. So like I said, I have very strong middle range, so by boosting middle and moving around to another video, and thank you for tuning in again. So right here, again, so strong, too much energy on it, so you can reduce your middle around -2 or 0.5, 1.5. So now YouTube is one of parts in our life. Much better, much better. It's smooth, all balanced, much better. So last thing is limit. So this herd limiter, apply. So open this window. Okay, there are 4 elements right here, but I'm not using all of them. I only use maximum amplitude and input boost. In maximum amplitude, you can set the maximum volume. So right now it's -0.1. So this means the volume of the whole audio is not gonna pass -0.1. So that means it's not gonna break. If you pass 0, audio is gonna be broken. And input boost, you can boost your gain. What I do is set -0.2, and it depends on the footage, but I set like 2. How's it going, people? Welcome back to another video, and thank you for tuning in again. Something like that. But I boost the gain, so a little noise again. So close this window and go back to denoise. And maybe I'm going to set like 20 to cut noise. How's it going, people? Welcome back to another video, and thank you for tuning in again. Okay, very good. I'm super happy with this. So let's compare audio without editing and audio with editing. How's it going, people? Welcome back to another video, and thank you for tuning in again. How's it going, people? Welcome back to another video, and thank you for tuning in again. So let me go over quickly. If you have noise, apply denoise and set 15 to 20. Don't overkill. And second, equalizer. If your audio has some breaking point or if it's not balanced, you have to use equalizer. And third, herd limiter. If your audio is kind of low, you can boost your gain and you can set the limit and make sure it doesn't pass 0. Set -0.2, it's much safer. So this is it. It's very simple. Everybody can do this. If you have Premiere Pro, just try it out. If you're thinking buy a new microphone, fancy microphone, before that, just give it a shot. Okay, so this topic is pretty much it, and thank you for watching this video, and I see you at the next video.